Unlock the power of your immune system with Q Shield Immunity Booster Plus. Welcome to a revolution in personal health with Q Shield Immunity Booster Plus. It's not merely a product, it's a protection promise. Imagine your body like a fortress. Q Shield acts as your defense barrier, working 24/7 to keep intruders out. Our all-natural ingredients have been painstakingly sourced and blended to boost your body's immune responses. It's nature's formula, scientifically proven to work. As part of your daily routine, Q Shield Immunity Booster Plus helps protect against illnesses, keeping you active, productive, and healthy. With Q Shield, health isn't just a state of being. It's a lifestyle. A choice. And the choice is yours. Upgrade to the Q Shield Immunity Booster Plus today. Choose health. Choose life. Choose Q Shield.